Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs coming at you with another Krietz Customs build. This one is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what we added to see what some ideas that you can get on your Jeep. So with the suspension kit, we just added that 2.5 inch just to give it a little bit more of an aggressive appearance and get those bigger wheels and tires. With your JLs, they sit a little bit higher than the JKs and a little bit more openness in the fender wells, so you guys can get a bigger tire without having to get that 3.5 inch lift or any bigger. So with the 2.5 inch lift, you can get away with 22 by 12s with a -44 offset, not have to cut or have to worry about any rubbing. So this one's gonna be that fuel hardline at 22 by 12, and then it's gonna have that gloss black and mill finish, which is gonna set the look of the Jeep. Now your tire, you can have a 35, 12, 50, 22 without having any issues as well. You can kind of bump up to a 37, but you're gonna have to add that 30 or 3.5 inch lift kit so you can get those bigger tires. Sometimes you run into some clearance issues if you go any bigger than that. So if you guys like this look, make sure you guys hit me up on Facebook at Krietz Customs. You guys can call me at 301-694-4642 if you have any questions about fitment or what you can run on your Jeep.